Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow direct messages from businesses on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the More button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the More section and click on Settings. After that, tap on the Privacy Settings option. Then you should scroll down to the Direct Messages from Businesses section. Here you can let other businesses to send you direct messages in response to your reviews. Here you can select from two options. Yes, let them contact me. If you want to enable this function, click on the circle on the right side next to it. Or you can also disable this feature by tapping on the No, do not let them contact me button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.